Hello and good day, it's Emily van Rensburg and today I'm going to paint this mannequin. I'm going to use this Paris serviette to do a little bit of decoupage onto this, and then I'm going to use this stencil with texture paste somewhere. I will decide as I go along. So I've already taken off my layers of my serviette here at the back. Remember to just check that you take off all of them. And now I'm going to take this bicycle. I think I'm going to start with a bicycle in the corner. And then I will see as I go along. Okay, I'm gonna make the dress and the postage seal, what you call it. I'm gonna make that with texture. So you can just watch me as I do this. Okay, the colors I'm going to use for this stand is my burnt umber, my Paynes Grey, my white, and my titanium buff. I'm just going to paint that, and then I'll decide about the dress. I think I'm just going to wash burnt umber wash over this dress and keep it white with the dark valleys, the burnt umber. So I'm not going to, you can just watch me paint. I'm not going to talk further. I don't want to do anything, not much there, but I'm going to try and put a brown wash. I'm just going to put water with my burnt umber. Just put a thin wash over this and wipe it away before it's dried, just to give it a little bit more definition. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell, and then you will get my future uploads. And I enjoyed doing this, so I will see you next time.